Talk like Star Wars. Everybody wanna watch. Get into this guap.
Right here at Walmart, gonna see what kind of baits we can use to finish this challenge, get this challenge done. 3 baits, stay tuned. Guys, man, with bro Taylor, went to Walmart. Couldn't record in there, but fun. Had that music in there all loud. I'm gonna do 3 baits. Got this little bass tackle thing. 3 baits for each of us. See what we could catch. Stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, it's pretty cloudy today, man. It's pretty fresh though, not as hot as it usually gets. Heading down to backwaters. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Doing this 3 bait challenge. Hopefully it stays cloudy. There's like a small breeze. Hopefully it stays like that, who knows. But just keep watching, man. Stay tuned. Also appreciate all the love and support, man. We are on the road to 8K. Nico Vlog, let's get it.
Already sponsored.
Grab one, I'll grab one.
Let's see, it started off with blue.
That's what I wanted. That one.
Pumpkin.
You don't even know what that is.
Here, send it your vlog.
Yeah. Look at this.
Send it your vlog. I go.
I still don't know what that is. Alright, put that there. Go with this blue one. You probably put them back.
Alright, we got our poison.
Whichever one you're gonna use first.
Let's go with the difficult one first. We're gonna go the old-fashioned Texas rig right now.
I gotta see if we can cast in this wind. Oh! I just had a bite. What the hell? But this will be good. Move on to the next one. I think it was right there. Hopefully. The wind on my foot. Damn, why are you going that way? Well, whatever bit, hopefully it was a nice one. Oh damn, look, I see there's another bite. Oh, why does it do that? There's something small right there. Forget that fish, I don't want to bite.
Alright, so we got this little earthworm on. We'll see what kind of damage we got with this shit. God damn. Took. Probably only got like a 1 ounce. Probably only got like a 1 ounce weight on.
Just had a bite.
definitely where I wanted to go. There's something right here. Oh! God damn it. Shit. Earthworm's doing some damage over here. Fucking my lure fucking hurt.
Alright, we're off to spot number 2. Got some bites, but it is what it is. We're gonna keep going. Stay tuned. Let's get spot number 2. Spot number 2, I think I'm gonna try a different one on the bait caster. Let's go with this old lizard. You see me fishing with this bad boy. Good old bubblegum Senko, but that's not the challenge. Challenge is catch them on your own bait from water. Let's see. Don't normally use the lizard, so if I'm doing it wrong, sorry. Move my line around. Make sure there's no snakes anywhere. So again, if I'm doing this wrong with the lizard, I don't know. I do everything Texas rig, so I'm doing it wrong. Sorry. Don't normally fish with the lizard. Throw. We'll see who'll be the first one to catch something. Is it me or is it Taylor? I'm gonna jump in like you guys. Shit, I'll tip the boat. So he just came over here. Oh, that was a bite. Let's go. Yeah, fishy, fishy. I could catch you all the time right here on the boat. How come I can't catch you when I'm on shore, huh? Toolies and everything. Right here on the shore. I don't catch nothing. Catch seaweed or catch toolies. What else I want? come on.
You had to get a whole new hook.
The hook came off?
Hook, weight, everything came off.
Good thing it comes with hooks.
Alrighty. Fuck. Hmm? Take two. Fuck you, Bush. Fred's back getting anything on this one.
Yeah, the clouds are moving off slowly. Hurry up. Had the shade, now I don't.
We're cooking.
Back with this one. Sun's freaking out. Felt pretty good today. The breeze feels kind of good. Now we're cooking up. 112. Went up a lot this morning. This morning it was all fresh, cloudy. Arizona weather. Damn, first cast right in the tool is nice. Curve it. Alright, lizard. You gonna let me down? I think anything's worse than this Arizona heat, man, I swear.
I got faith in this. I do. Go ahead with purple. Oh, a little purple, a little blue in there. Oh yeah, a little curve in there. This wind sucks, bro. Said this wind sucks. Fuck this wind, man. Different spot.
Bottom full.
Last spot.
Fourth and final spot. Damn wind. Goddamn wind. Damn.
Water spillway's open too. Yeah. Gonna have to yuck it out there. That's what yucking gets you. Shit. Imagine. Snag a cart.
Yeah, I'll be it for this bass kit. Got hot, wind, damn clouds went away. But there will be a part 2 of this bass kit. We'll see whenever the wind stops and warms up a little better. But stay tuned, man. Nico Vlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload another video. Till next time, Nico Vlogs, we out.
I knew all of this would happen, it was perfect timing. Top notch, everything top notch. You cover hoes, you top fly.